Welcome! If you've ever wanted to start strength training at home but felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. Many people struggle with getting started, but the good news is that building a few simple habits can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore practical habits that help you jump into strength training at home quickly and confidently. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your routine, these tips are designed to help you overcome common barriers and see results sooner. Let's dive in and discover how small changes can lead to big progress on your strength journey. One of the most effective habits for starting strength training at home is setting clear, achievable goals. Instead of vague intentions like get stronger, try to define what that means for you. For example, you might aim to do 10 push-ups in a row or complete 3 workouts per week. Clear goals give you direction and motivation, making it easier to track your progress and celebrate your achievements. By knowing exactly what you want to accomplish, you'll be more likely to stay consistent and push through challenges. Remember, your goals can evolve as you grow stronger. Consistency is key when it comes to strength training, and having a set routine can help you build that consistency. Decide on specific days and times for your workouts, and treat them like important appointments. This habit removes the guesswork and helps you avoid skipping sessions. Even if you start with just 2 or 3 days a week, sticking to a regular schedule will help you build momentum. Over time, your workouts will become a natural part of your daily life, making it easier to stay on track and see results. Setting up a dedicated workout space at home can make a huge difference in your motivation and focus. You don't need a fancy gym, just a small area where you can move freely and keep your equipment handy. Lay out a mat, set up your dumbbells or resistance bands, and make sure the area is free from distractions. When your space is ready, you'll find it much easier to start your workouts without delay. This simple habit helps signal to your brain that it's time to train, making it easier to get into the right mindset. If you're new to strength training, starting with bodyweight exercises is a smart and accessible way to build strength. Moves like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks require no equipment and can be done anywhere. Focus on mastering your form and gradually increasing your repetitions. This habit helps you build a solid foundation, reduces the risk of injury, and boosts your confidence. As you progress, you can add resistance bands or weights to keep challenging your muscles. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Bodyweight training is a great place to begin. You don't need a lot of fancy equipment to start strength training at home. In fact, keeping things simple can help you get started faster and avoid feeling overwhelmed. A yoga mat, a pair of dumbbells, or resistance bands are enough for most beginners. As you develop your routine, you can gradually add more equipment if needed. The key is to start with what you have and focus on building the habit of regular training. Simple tools can deliver great results when used consistently. Warming up before your workout is an essential habit that prepares your body for exercise and helps prevent injuries. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing dynamic stretches or light cardio, such as jumping jacks or jogging in place. This increases your heart rate, loosens your muscles, and gets you mentally ready to train. A proper warm-up can make your workouts feel smoother and more effective, setting a positive tone for the rest of your session. Never skip your warm-up. It's a small step that brings big benefits. Keeping a record of your workouts is a powerful habit that helps you stay motivated and see your improvements over time. You can use a notebook, a fitness app, or even a simple calendar to log your exercises, sets, reps, and how you felt during each session. Tracking your progress lets you celebrate small wins and identify areas for improvement. It also helps you stay accountable to your goals and keeps you moving forward, even on days when motivation is low. Proper form is crucial for effective strength training and injury prevention. Make it a habit to pay close attention to your technique, especially when learning new exercises. If you're unsure about your form, watch instructional videos or use a mirror to check your posture. Quality always beats quantity. Doing fewer reps with good form is better than rushing through a workout with poor technique. As you progress, maintaining good form will help you lift heavier and achieve better results. It's tempting to jump into intense workouts, but starting small and progressing gradually is a much more sustainable habit. Begin with shorter sessions and lighter resistance, then slowly increase the intensity as your body adapts. This approach helps you avoid burnout and reduces the risk of injury. Remember, strength training is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and trust that consistent effort will lead to lasting results over time. Rest is just as important as your workouts. Make it a habit to schedule regular rest days to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injuries, and loss of motivation. Listen to your body and give yourself permission to rest when needed. On rest days, you can focus on gentle activities like stretching or walking. This balance between effort and recovery will help you stay consistent and make steady progress in your strength training journey. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's a key habit for anyone starting strength training. Drinking enough water before, during, and after your workouts helps your muscles function properly and aids recovery. Keep a water bottle nearby and make it a point to sip regularly. Proper hydration also helps you maintain energy levels and focus throughout your training sessions. By making hydration a regular part of your routine, you'll support your body's performance and overall health. Eating a balanced diet is another important habit for effective strength training. Focus on meals that include lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to build muscle and recover. Try to eat a small snack or meal about an hour before your workout, and refuel with protein and carbs afterward. Good nutrition supports your training goals and helps you feel your best, both during and after your workouts. Building a new habit can be challenging, so using reminders can help you stay on track. Set alarms on your phone, leave sticky notes in visible places, or use habit tracking apps to prompt you to work out. These small cues make it easier to remember your training sessions and keep your commitment strong. Over time, your workouts will become automatic, but reminders are a great tool to help you get started and stay consistent in the early days. Having a workout buddy can make starting strength training at home more enjoyable and motivating. Whether it's a family member, friend, or virtual partner, sharing your goals and progress with someone else adds accountability and support. You can encourage each other, celebrate successes, and even share workout ideas. If you can't find a partner in person, consider joining online fitness communities for extra motivation. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Support makes the journey easier. Recognizing and celebrating your progress, no matter how small, is a powerful habit that keeps you motivated. Did you complete an extra rep or stick to your routine for a week? Take a moment to acknowledge your effort. Celebrating small wins builds confidence and reinforces your commitment to strength training. Over time, these positive moments add up and help you stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, every step forward is worth celebrating. Variety is the spice of life and of strength training. Mixing up your workouts keeps things interesting and challenges your muscles in new ways. Try different exercises, change your routine every few weeks, or experiment with new equipment. This habit helps prevent boredom and plateaus, making it easier to stay engaged and see continuous progress. Don't be afraid to try something new. Your body and mind will thank you. It's important to set realistic expectations when starting strength training at home. Progress takes time, and results may not appear overnight. Make it a habit to focus on the process rather than just the outcome. Celebrate your consistency and effort, and remember that setbacks are a normal part of any journey. By setting realistic expectations, you'll avoid frustration and stay motivated for the long haul. Learning about strength training is a valuable habit that empowers you to train safely and effectively. Read articles, watch instructional videos, or follow reputable fitness coaches online. Understanding the basics of exercise science, proper form, and recovery can help you avoid mistakes and get better results. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel in your workouts. Make education a regular part of your fitness journey. Paying attention to your body's signals is a crucial habit for safe and effective strength training. If you feel pain, discomfort, or excessive fatigue, take a step back and rest. It's normal to feel challenged during workouts, but sharp pain or exhaustion is a sign to pause. Listening to your body helps you avoid injuries and ensures that you're training at the right intensity. Over time, you'll learn to distinguish between healthy effort and overdoing it. The internet is full of helpful resources for home strength training. Make it a habit to use workout videos, apps, and online guides to find new exercises and routines. Many platforms offer free or affordable programs tailored to different fitness levels. Using these resources can keep your workouts fresh and provide expert guidance, especially if you're training alone. Take advantage of the digital world to support your fitness journey. Planning your workouts in advance is a habit that saves time and boosts your confidence. Decide which exercises you'll do, how many sets and reps, and what equipment you'll need before you start. Having a plan helps you stay focused and make the most of your training time. It also reduces decision fatigue and keeps you moving efficiently from one exercise to the next. A little planning goes a long way in building a successful strength training routine. Creating a distraction-free environment is a helpful habit for effective home workouts. Turn off notifications, let family members know you're training, and set boundaries during your workout time. This helps you stay focused and get the most out of each session. By minimizing interruptions, you'll find it easier to complete your workouts and maintain your momentum. Protect your training time. It's an investment in yourself. A positive mindset is a powerful habit that can help you overcome challenges and setbacks. Remind yourself why you started strength training and focus on the benefits you're experiencing, like increased energy or improved mood. When you face obstacles, try to see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Staying positive helps you stay motivated and enjoy the process, making it easier to stick with your training over time. Listening to music during your workouts can boost your energy and motivation. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs and play it during your training sessions. Music can help you stay focused, push through tough sets, and make your workouts more enjoyable. This simple habit can turn your home workouts into a fun and energizing experience, helping you look forward to each session. Visual cues can remind you to stick to your strength training habit. Place your workout gear where you can see it, hang motivational quotes on the wall, or use a calendar to mark your workout days. These small reminders keep your goals top of mind and make it easier to follow through. Over time, visual cues can help reinforce your routine and make strength training a natural part of your day. Mindfulness is a habit that can enhance your strength training experience. Focus on your breathing, pay attention to how your body feels, and stay present during each exercise. Mindful training helps you connect with your body, improve your form, and reduce stress. It also makes your workouts more enjoyable and effective. Try to bring a sense of awareness to each session and notice the positive changes in your body and mind. Rewarding yourself for sticking to your strength training habit can boost your motivation. Choose healthy rewards, like a relaxing bath, a favorite snack, or a new workout outfit. Rewards help reinforce positive behavior and make your training journey more enjoyable. Set milestones and treat yourself when you reach them. This habit keeps you motivated and gives you something to look forward to as you progress. Strength training is a lifelong journey, and there's always something new to learn. Make it a habit to seek out new exercises, training techniques, and fitness knowledge. This keeps your workouts fresh and helps you continue making progress. Learning also keeps you engaged and excited about your training. Stay curious and open-minded, and you'll find that strength training at home never gets boring. Flexibility is an important habit for long-term success. Life can be unpredictable, so be willing to adjust your workouts as needed. If you miss a session, don't get discouraged, just get back on track as soon as possible. Adapt your routine to fit your schedule, energy levels, and goals. This habit helps you stay consistent and resilient, no matter what life throws your way. Noticing how you feel before and after workouts is a helpful habit. Tracking your mood can reveal patterns in your energy, motivation, and overall well-being. You might find that exercise boosts your mood or helps you manage stress. Use a journal or app to note your feelings and reflect on your progress. This awareness can motivate you to keep training and appreciate the mental benefits of strength workouts. Having a support system can make starting and sticking with strength training much easier. Share your goals with friends or family, join online fitness groups, or find a mentor. Support from others provides encouragement, accountability, and advice when you need it. Don't hesitate to reach out for help or celebrate your achievements with your support network. Together, you can stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Challenges are a natural part of any fitness journey. Make it a habit to embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Whether it's a tough workout, a missed session, or a plateau, view challenges as stepping stones rather than setbacks. This mindset helps you stay resilient and motivated even when things get tough. Remember, overcoming obstacles is what makes you stronger, both physically and mentally. Taking time to reflect on your progress is a valuable habit. Set aside a few minutes each week to review your workouts, celebrate your achievements, and identify areas for improvement. Reflection helps you stay focused on your goals and adjust your approach as needed. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated for the next step in your strength training journey. Organization is a habit that can make your strength training routine smoother and more enjoyable. Keep your workout space tidy, organize your equipment, and plan your sessions in advance. This reduces stress and makes it easier to start your workouts without delay. An organized approach helps you stay focused and efficient so you can make the most of your training time. Visualization is a powerful mental habit that can boost your confidence and motivation. Take a few moments before each workout to picture yourself completing your exercises with good form and achieving your goals. Visualization helps you stay focused, overcome self-doubt, and build a positive mindset. Over time, this habit can make your strength training sessions more effective and enjoyable. Patience is a key habit for anyone starting strength training. Results take time, and progress may be slow at first. Remind yourself that consistency is more important than speed. Trust the process, stay committed to your routine, and be patient with yourself. Over time, your hard work will pay off, and you'll see the results you're working toward. Safety should always be a top priority in strength training. Make it a habit to check your equipment, use proper form, and avoid pushing yourself too hard. If you're unsure about an exercise, look up instructions or ask for advice. Staying safe helps you avoid injuries and ensures that you can keep training consistently. Remember, it's better to go slow and steady than to risk setbacks from injuries. Documenting your strength training journey is a habit that can boost motivation and track your transformation. Take progress photos, write journal entries, or record short videos of your workouts. Looking back on your journey helps you see how far you've come and reminds you of your achievements. It's a great way to stay inspired and keep pushing toward your goals. Consistency is the foundation of any successful strength training routine. Make it a habit to show up for your workouts, even on days when motivation is low. Consistent effort, even if it's not perfect, leads to steady progress over time. Build your routine around your lifestyle and make training a non-negotiable part of your week. With consistency, you'll see results and build lasting strength. Accountability is a powerful habit that helps you stick to your strength training goals. Share your plans with a friend, join a challenge, or use social media to track your progress. Knowing that someone else is cheering you on or checking in can boost your commitment and motivation. Accountability partners help you stay on track, celebrate your wins, and get back up after setbacks. Gratitude is a habit that can make your strength training journey more enjoyable. Take a moment after each workout to appreciate what your body can do and the progress you've made. Gratitude helps you stay positive, motivated, and focused on the benefits of training. It also makes the process more rewarding and helps you build a healthy relationship with exercise. Inspiration can come from many sources: books, podcasts, social media, or fitness role models. Make it a habit to seek out inspiration regularly to keep your motivation high. Follow people who share your goals, read success stories, or listen to uplifting music. Staying inspired helps you overcome challenges and reminds you why you started your strength training journey in the first place. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals is a habit that keeps your strength training journey on track. As you progress, your goals may change. Maybe you want to lift heavier, try new exercises, or focus on different muscle groups. Take time to assess your progress and set new targets. This keeps your training fresh and ensures you're always moving forward. Starting strength training at home doesn't have to be complicated. By building these simple habits, you can overcome obstacles and make real progress toward your goals. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Choose 1 or 2 habits to focus on this week and watch how quickly you build momentum. With consistency, patience, and the right mindset, you'll discover just how strong you can become right from the comfort of your own home.